Noble Ridge Estates right here in Rockwood. This is a premier, mature community with executive detached homes and executive detached townhomes, where pride of ownership is evident from each individual homeowner. You just have to walk down the street and you can see it. Just imagine, underneath this snow is green grass, lush garden beds, and these trees ready to bloom when it comes springtime. So it doesn't matter what the season, any time is the best time to showcase this fabulous community. In Noble Ridge Estates, there's a lot of nice homes. I should know, I sell a lot of them. But number 10 Chestnut trumps them all. You're gonna be impressed as soon as you pull up to this beauty. Pitched roof line with double gables, board and batten in one, cedar shakes in the other, nice neutral colors flowing all the way down with soft brick, light gray mortar matching that beautiful front porch, and of course a 4-panel garage door that's a true double. But that's not all. This sits on an oversized premium 65-foot corner lot, which means no neighbors beside. The benefit of a lot like this means you have a wall of windows down the east side of your property, letting in tons of natural light. That followed with landscaping, shrubbery, trees, and this beautiful cedar hedge in the back for tons of privacy. Now I know this community, and especially this lot size, is very impressive. But when you step inside this beautiful Charleston Bungaloft, you will be amazed. 9-foot ceilings, open foyer, 5 feet by 10 feet, gives you more than enough space for your guests to kick off their shoes. And of course, we travel down this beautiful hallway, 2-piece tucked away to the side, access to the basement right here, and then boom, we're right here in this massive living space. It's open concepts. It's what I like to call L-shaped open concept with kitchen, dining room, and living room all the way through out that beautiful window with spectacular views. Now, of course, you guys are immediately gonna be drawn to all these windows on the main level. This end lot, corner lot, gives you the ability to add these windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 panes of glass stretching across the east side of the house, and it lets in tons of natural light and that morning sun that we all crave for, especially this time of year. Now, feast your eyes on the kitchen, and your eyes will be immediately drawn to this decorative island with granite countertops. In fact, we have granite countertops all along this whole entire kitchen, and this beautiful stone backsplash that complements the colors from the kitchen and the dining room and really ties them all together. Then you're gonna look up, and with those 9-foot ceilings, you'll see extended cabinets, which means you have plenty of cabinet space. We've got uppers, we've got lower drawers, all superior quality, all soft close. And then you'll see the lighting, and it highlights this kitchen superbly. That complemented with high-end appliances, built-in microwaves, and tons of space. This means this is perfect for anybody that loves cooking, that loves a glass of wine while they're doing it, and more importantly, loves to entertain. Now, behind the kitchen, we have the laundry room. It's super functional. We have beautiful high-top countertops with this beautiful staggered charcoal gray backsplash, and then of course, cabinetry. We've got tons of storage. I love this space because you have your master bedroom right on the main floor, and you don't have to go too far to do your laundry. Into the dining room and main living areas. When I stretch out my hands, I have these phenomenal views all the way to the living room and beyond. And then of course, behind me are those oversized windows that I've already spoken about. I just can't help but talk about it because I love natural light. Wow. And then we continue on into this cozy living room. I love this accent shiplap wall and this cozy gas fireplace. But of course, the views. It's really hard to ignore the views. Now, from the living room, you can go one of two ways. You can go right out to this beautiful deck, or you can head right into the master bedroom, which is where I'm gonna take you next. And once you're here, you'll notice the space. Big, but not too big. And you'll notice these double windows heading right out the backyard. Now, of course, we have the berm and the cedar hedge back there, so it is very, very private. And of course, adds in that afternoon sun. When we continue back over here, we have a full walk-in closet. You'll love the space, you'll love the size. And then of course, the master bathroom is a true treat. Double vanity, tons of storage. I love this glass shower. It's oversized, fully tiled, built-in seat, built-in shelf with this transition strip all the way along, which once again ties those colors of the floor, the creams of the cabinets, and of course this beige of the countertops. Now the next thing that I absolutely love about this washroom is, one, the heated floors. You gotta have heated floors, and once you do, you can never go back. Number two, the standalone soaker tub. It's not built in, it's a real elegant but subtle feel. It's super deep, very functional, and for anybody out there that loves to add a little Epsom salts and soak in that tub, this would be perfect for you. And completing the main floor is this beautiful back deck. We've got some greenery just ready for springtime. But when you take a closer look at this beauty, you're gonna notice we've got natural gas barbecue. We've got water so you can hang your plants. We've got stairs going down so you can access the backyard. And of course, you've got phenomenal views. Now, in the summertime, it's gonna be fantastic, watching the sun and everything that goes on around the community. But right now, it's just as good. You'll look down that street and see snow-covered rooftops, just like you're in your own personal snow globe. So you can virtually enjoy this view any season. Don't forget about the loft, because the loft is a true treat. As you come up the stairs, you'll notice hardwood spindles, this beautiful ornate oval window, and of course, the landing, which is the perfect place for your own personal office. And of course, if you didn't already know, phenomenal views with maximum sunlight. Now we're in the loft. This is a great flex space for added TV room or den, but I love the fact that it has a full 4-piece washroom and a beautiful large bedroom with a full walk-in closet. Why? Because any guests that are gonna come over, or any kids coming over for the holidays, they really have their own space up here. So you might not think you need this space, but I can tell you from experience, anybody who owns a Charleston Bungaloft loves this added space. And last but not least, the basement. For me, I envision this space as a rec room, man cave with a bar. It's a great opportunity to head down there and you can really chill out and relax. You're gonna get sick of living upstairs because it looks like a model home all day long. Another thing to note, guys, are the windows. Again, it's a common theme throughout this property. Okay, but it is a wall of windows down there. They're all above grade. It doesn't even feel like you're in a basement. So we're all done. You don't need to listen to me anymore. But the key takeaways, tons of windows. If you like natural light, this is for you. Oversized 65-foot corner lot. Tons of premium upgrades, and all this packaged together in Rockwood's premium estate community. Give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show you.